Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing another giveaway. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but I digress. If you saw the previous video that I posted, it should have been posted not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, then you will know that I did some swatches of the Nicka K True Matte lipsticks. And just like in that video, I swatched 7 different shades and you'll have the chance to win all 7 of those shades. So again, if you haven't seen the swatching video, you will win all 7 of these lipsticks. So with this giveaway, of course, there's only gonna be one winner. If you never entered any of my giveaways, it's really quite simple. All you have to do is go down to the description box, fill out the Google form, but before you do that, then you're gonna make sure that you subscribe. So it's 2 easy steps. Subscribe, fill out the Google form, and that's it. The giveaway is gonna run for 1 week. I'll make sure that I contact the winner via email. As always, you're gonna have 48 hours to respond. If you do not respond, then I will pick another winner. That's really everything, really simple. Subscribe, fill out the Google form, and that's it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.